Good morning, sir, ma'am. Nakuha po namin reported is Indonesia. Police System of Indonesia po. So, dako na po tayo sa type of governments of Indonesia. Meron pong tatlong klaseng government po ang Indonesia. Ang isa po doon ay unitary state, republic, presidential system. Unitary system. Unitary state. A sovereign state government as a single entity in which the central government is the supreme authority. Meron daw po siyang isang pamahalaan lang daw po na nagpapaikot sa buong bansa. Republic. A government in which supreme power resides in a body of citizens entitled to vote and exercise by elected officers and representatives responsible to them and governing according to the law. Tulad din po sa Pilipinas, may mga citizen din po ang namimili at ang kung sino po ang uupo sa ganung posisyon po. At ang pangatlo po is presidential system. The president normally serves as the both of the head of the state and the head of a government and by elected by a popular vote. So po, pinipili din po nila kung sino yung presidente nila na pwedeng umupo sa bansa nila. At ayun po ang types of government of Indonesia. Next na po tayo sa history. Colonial period. Dutch East Indian Company Bok era in 1602 to 1799. Law enforcement was managed by company guards and local militant primarily to maintain the order to protect.
Was chosen as the capital of Indonesia. First, historical significance, administrative center during Dutch rule. Second, strategic location, centrally located in the archipelago. Third, economic hub, established infrastructure and financial institution. Fourth, symbol of independence, chosen in 1945 to break from colonial ties. Isa pa. The organizational name of Indonesia Police System is Kepolisian Negara Republic Indonesia, commonly abbreviated as Polri. This name translates to Indonesian National Police in English.
Great day, sir. Our report is about police system in Indonesia. The organization name of the Indonesia police system is Kepolisian Negara Republic Indonesia, commonly abbreviated as Polri. This name translates to Indonesian National Police in English. Agency Police Force. The Indonesian National Police, or Polri, is the main agency responsible for maintaining and security and public order, law enforcement, and provide protection and service to the community in Indonesia.
Mission and vision. The mission of Indonesia Police is to serve and protect the community, maintain the law order, prevent and solve crimes, and ensure public safety. Their vision is to become a professional, modern, and trusted police force. Training span. Indonesia is the training span for police officer. Police officer is typically around 9 to 12 months, and depending on the specific program and level of training. Ranks. Rank number 1. Police General, the highest point of police rank. 2. Commissioner General. 3. Police Inspector General. 4. Brigadier General. 5. Police Chief Commission. 6. Police Chief Commissioner. 7. Police Commissioner. 8. Police Adjunct Commissioner. 9. Police Inspector 1 and 10.